icing on the cake, an additional benefit to something already good. If it not one thing, it's another. Many unfortunate, stressful things keep happening in quick succession. Ill at ease, nervous and anxious, in a fix, in a bad situation, in a flash, instantly, turant, in a jiffy, instantly, without delay, in a nutshell, in brief, in a rut, seemingly trapped or stuck in a mundane, non-changing pattern of life, work, or personal behavior. In a tight corner, in a very difficult situation, in an instant, quickly, in another shoes, in somebody's situation or lifestyle. In apple pie order, neat and orderly, in bad taste, inappropriate, offensive, or vulgar, in black and white, in written, in broad daylight, in the open light of day, in clover, in a very good financial condition, in cold blood, cruelly and without any remorse, in deep water, in a very difficult condition, in dire straits, in a very difficult condition, in Dutch, in trouble with someone, in fine feather, in remarkably attractive clothing, in excellent form, health, or humor, in harness, on duty or at work, in high diligence, angrily with resentment, in high spirit, happy, excited, and energetic, in hot water, in trouble, in tandem, one behind another simultaneously, in the air, everywhere, evident in the immediate surrounding, in the dark, ignorant or uninformed about something, in the doghouse, in travel with someone, in the driver's seat, in control, in charge, in the egg, composed of both good and bad aspects, in the eye of the storm, deeply caught in a difficult situation, in the good book of one's favorite or having one's approval, in the lap of luxury, having a luxurious life, in the long run, in the end, over a lengthy period of time, in the nick of time, at last possible moment before the deadline, in the offing, in the future about to happen soon, in the pink, in very good health or condition, in the red, in debt, in financial difficulty, in the running, in competition and having a chance to win, in the saddle, in control, in a dominant position, in the same boat, in the same situation, in the shop, in travel, in bad situation, in two minds, in dilemma, in a condition of indecision, in two sex, very quickly, in vogue, in fashion or currency, ins and out the particular detail of a situation or task. It takes two and to tango. Anything can't happen by one person alone. Itchy feet, a strong urge to go on a travel or journey. Live in ivory tower, a condition of remoteness from worldly or practical affairs. Jaw dropped, completely surprised. Jump down one's throat to shout or scold angrily. Jump on the bandwagon to blindly follow something that is quite popular. Jump to a conclusion, to make decision, draw conclusion hastily without proper facts. Jump ship, to leave one's job to join a rival organization. Keep a level head, to be calm and sensible even in a difficult situation. Keep abreast of, and to stay up to date with. Keep an eye on, to watch or monitor closely. Keep open house, to provide hospitality for visitors. Keep at an arm's length, to avoid intimacy or close contact with. Keep at bay, to prevent something from harming or attacking you. Keep body and soul together, to survive on a bare income. Keep chin up, to keep up one's spirit high, to act confident and brave. Keep ear close to the ground, to keep a close watch on the situation. Keep eye peeled, to remain watchful or vigilant. Keep finger crossed, to hope for a good outcome of something. Keep head, to remain calm and composed in a difficult situation. Keep head above water, to manage a stressful condition, particularly financial. Keep in abeyance, to stall or postpone something. Keep in the dark, to keep someone uninformed. Keep one's word, to do as one has promised. Keep pant on, to remain calm and patient while waiting for something. Keep the pot boiling, to ensure that the process keeps going or remain active. Keep the bull from the door, to keep from starving or poverty. Keep under one's hat, to keep something a secret. Keep under wraps, to keep something a secret. Keep up appearance once, to act as if everything is normal or fine in times of trouble. Kick in the teeth, a humiliating, disappointed or setback. Kick the bucket, to die. Kick up a road, to create a scene. Kill two birds with one stone, to complete two tasks with a single action. Kindred spirit, an individual with the same belief or feeling as oneself. King of metals, gold. Kith and kin, one's relative. Knee-jerk reaction, a quick and spontaneous response. Knit brows, to show that you are thinking or worried. Know which way the wind blows, to be able to anticipate how a certain situation is likely to develop. वीडियो अच्छा लगे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.